Hello friends, today we are learning 10 ways to make coding non-degree. And if you are wondering how to make money through coding or web development, this guide will help you to go out with being a web developer and a software engineer comes to great pay and flexibility. Make it perfect if you are head set on working, home, traveling. You don't need to college degree for the developer. Web development I studied marketing in college. You do not start coding eventually. After I graduate, I actually learned about the code online. What is coding? Coding in its most basic form is the writing instruction of computer platforms that task devices. That's code to function. Computer can only process that amount of memory information which is represented as combination of these one different features. Also, all code of programming boils down to, in other words, code is immediately communication method between humans and computers. Coding web development and programming allows you to know web development of the process of coding things are successfully used online trend such as websites, apps, application process extension, and more. Upwork, Fiverr, both Upwork and Fiverr are freelance marketplace where you can create a profile or free to get notified by countless business looking for the freelance work. You can also reach out the business and most project proposal. You can set your own rate of which the platform will take a certain percentage. The downside of perform platform like these is the that free as a particularly was one to game timetable. Severely undervalue their work to get the any job set to all.
मेरी वीडियो यार
सब बन रही है
मेरे बंदे करीब बैठे
मैं हिसाब लाया और रमजान है हर बंदे मुसलमान है बड़े इस्लामी
keep their mind is a global platform. It's nearly impossible to compete with someone in countries with low cost of living. They are able to charge a fraction of what you need to charge in order to make a comfortable living.
कहना खिच्ची दी कोई आई